In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Yahoo Mail by date. If your inbox is packed, searching by date is one of the fastest ways to find what you need, whether you're looking for last week's receipts or messages from a specific month. Start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account on the Yahoo login page. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. This is where all your filtering begins. Next to that bar, you'll see a small arrow or an advanced search option. Click it to open the detailed filters panel. Inside the advanced panel, look for the date range filter. Click the drop-down, and you'll see convenient presets like last 7 days or last 30 days. These are great when you need something recent and don't want to type exact dates. Choose the preset that fits, and you're already most of the way there. If you need something more specific, say, emails from the first 2 weeks of a particular month, choose the custom option. Enter your start date and end date in the fields provided. Most browsers will show a calendar picker, so you can click the dates instead of typing. Be sure the start and end dates reflect the exact window you want to search between. To narrow things further, you can add keywords or other criteria before you run the search. For example, type a word that appears in the subject or body, specify a sender, or include a phrase like invoice or meeting. Combining a date range with a few targeted terms often cuts through the clutter and brings the right messages to the top. When your filters look good, click the search button. Yahoo Mail will filter your inbox and display only the emails that match your date criteria and any keywords you added. If the results are too broad, adjust the range or refine your keywords and search again. There's also a quick method using the search bar itself. Type a query like after YYYYMMDD before YYYYMMDD, followed by any keywords. For example, after 2024-0101 before 2024-0131 invoice. This is especially handy if you prefer typing over clicking through menus. That's it. Log in, open the advanced filters, pick a date range or set a custom window, add keywords if needed, and search. With these options, you'll find the right emails faster and keep your inbox feel manageable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.